Ever wondered how an octopus with its soft body and 8 arms navigates the vast and complex underwater world? Picture this, an organism, seemingly alien in its form, with a body that's a study in contrasts. It's soft, almost squishy, devoid of bones or exterior shells. Yet, it's a master navigator of the intricate and expansive underwater terrain. This, my friends, is the octopus, a creature that continues to fascinate and bewilder scientists and marine enthusiasts alike. Despite its seemingly delicate form, the octopus thrives in the diverse and often unforgiving marine environment. It's not merely surviving, but flourishing, displaying a suite of behaviors that are as wonderful as they are strange. Its ability to change color and texture, its unparalleled escape artistry, and its surprising cognitive abilities. These are just a few examples of the octopus's fascinating repertoire. Stick around if you want to uncover the mysteries of the octopus world. Octopuses are the undisputed champions of camouflage. Now you might wonder how they manage this fantastic feat. You see, octopuses possess unique skin cells known as chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores. These cells enable them to change not only the color, but also the texture of their skin, effectively allowing them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Imagine being in a rocky seabed, filled with various shades of brown and gray. Suddenly, a part of the landscape moves. It's an octopus. The creature had been there all along, perfectly mimicking the rock's texture and color. Picture a vibrant coral reef teeming with life. An octopus navigates through, changing its color from one moment to the next, matching the dazzling hues of the reef. From the sandy ocean floor to the lush kelp forests, octopuses can adapt to virtually any environment. Their mastery of camouflage is truly a wonder of the natural world. In an instant, they can disappear right before your eyes. When danger lurks, octopuses have some of the most bizarre escape tactics. Imagine, if you will, being cornered by a predator. What would you do? If you're an octopus, you've got a few tricks up your 8 sleeves. First, there's the ink. Octopuses can eject a cloud of ink that obscures their predator's view, allowing them to make a swift exit. But it's not just a smokescreen. This ink contains a substance that dulls the predator's sense of smell, making it harder to track the octopus. Then there's their speed. Octopuses are surprisingly fast swimmers, propelling themselves through the water by expelling water from a funnel-like part of their body. This jet propulsion can get them out of sticky situations in a flash. But perhaps the most remarkable escape tactic is their ability to squeeze through tiny spaces. As long as their beak fits, the rest of their body can follow. This means they can escape through holes no bigger than a quarter. These creatures are true masters of evasion. Did you know that an octopus's arms have a mind of their own? Yes, you heard it right. Each of the 8 arms of an octopus is packed with a network of neurons that allow it to act independently of the octopus's central brain. This intriguing phenomenon is known as arm autonomy. It's like having 8 additional mini-brains, each capable of processing information and making decisions. Imagine a scenario where your left arm decides to pick up a coffee mug, while your right arm is busy typing on a keyboard, all without any conscious thought from you. That's everyday life for an octopus. And it doesn't stop there. Each arm can not only touch, but also taste. The suckers on the arms are lined with taste receptors, allowing the octopus to explore and understand its environment in a way that's simply beyond our comprehension. Imagine what it would be like if your arms had their own brains. Octopuses are not just nomads of the sea, they like to have a home base. These intelligent creatures of the deep blue sea are known to create their own dens. This serves as a place for resting, protection, and even a nursery for their eggs. These dens are more than just a hole in the ocean floor. Octopuses are quite the interior decorators, using shells, rocks, and other debris to fortify their homes. It's almost as if they're saying, "This is my space, and I'll make it as comfortable and safe as I want." Imagine walking into an octopus's den. You'd find an eclectic collection of shells, maybe a discarded bottle or two, and other bits of oceanic odds and ends. These are not merely remnants of meals past, but deliberate decorations, a personal touch to their underwater abode. It's fascinating to see how these marine creatures value their personal space. As we continue to explore their world, we're reminded that, even under the sea, there's no place like home. Despite their social reputation, octopuses are solitary hunters. Unfolding in the depths of the ocean, a unique hunting spectacle takes place. The octopus, a creature of stealth and guile, embarks on its solitary quest for sustenance. With an uncanny ability to blend into their surroundings, octopuses use stealth as their primary weapon. They inch towards their prey undetected, before launching a swift and decisive attack. But their tactics don't end there. Octopuses are also equipped with a venomous bite, a quiet yet powerful tool in their hunting arsenal. This venom is potent enough to paralyze smaller prey, making the capture an effortless endeavor. The octopus's approach to hunting is a testament to their individualistic nature. They don't rely on the collective strength of a group or the safety of numbers. Instead, they utilize their unique abilities to their full potential, proving that sometimes it's not about the size of the dog in the fight, but the size of the fight in the dog. For an octopus, dinner time is a solo affair. Octopuses have a knack for changing their form in a flash. This isn't an illusion or trickery, but an amazing biological marvel that the octopus has mastered. These cephalopods can alter their shape to mimic other marine animals, a skill that comes in handy when they need to elude predators or sneak up on prey. Imagine being able to transform into a flounder one moment and a lionfish the next. That's the fascinating reality for our eight-legged friends, but their shape-shifting abilities extend beyond mere mimicry. Octopuses can also navigate through tight spaces by contorting and compressing their flexible bodies. With no internal skeleton, they can squeeze through cracks and crevices that seem impossibly small, a trait that offers them an added layer of protection in the vast ocean. This impressive skill set, combined with their intelligence and adaptability, make octopuses stand out in the marine world. They are the ultimate shapeshifters of the sea. Octopuses might be one of the smartest creatures in the sea. Their intelligence is truly mind-boggling. They are capable of complex problem-solving, a trait typically associated with higher mammals. For instance, in captivity, octopuses have been known to navigate mazes, unscrew lids to retrieve food, and even recognize individual humans. Moreover, these eight-armed marvels are also known for their use of tools, an ability that sets them apart in the animal kingdom. They've been observed carrying coconut shells and seashells to use as a shelter or a means of defense. But perhaps the most surprising evidence of their intelligence is their capacity for play. Octopuses have been seen bouncing objects back and forth in a water current, seemingly for their own amusement. It's a behavior that goes beyond mere survival instincts, suggesting a level of consciousness that's quite rare in the marine world. Who knew that an octopus could give a dolphin a run for its money? From masters of camouflage to solitary hunters, octopuses are truly fascinating. We've journeyed through the undersea world, exploring the strange and wonderful behaviors of these eight-armed wonders. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned. Firstly, we delved into the unseen world underwater, where octopuses thrive. We discovered their astounding ability to blend in with their surroundings, making them masters of camouflage. This not only aids them in hunting, but also helps them hide from predators. Next, we marveled at their reputation as artists. With their soft bodies, they can squeeze through the tiniest of spaces, baffle scientists in laboratories, and even escape from their tanks. A testament to their adaptability and intelligence. Then, we discussed an oddity that sets octopuses apart: arm autonomy. Each of their 8 arms can think and act independently. Imagine the possibilities if we could do the same. We visited their homes, highlighting the unique behavior of octopuses carrying around shells or other debris to create a mobile home. This behavior again reflects their intelligence and resourcefulness. As solitary hunters, octopuses are masters of stealth. They use a combination of their camouflage skills and strategic thinking to catch their prey. Quite the solo strategists, aren't they? And who could forget the shape-shifting octopus? Their ability to alter their physical appearance to mimic other sea creatures is nothing short of extraordinary. It's like they have their very own underwater costume party. Lastly, we celebrated the clever octopus. Known for their problem-solving skills, they've been observed using tools, opening jars, and even playing games. It's clear that these creatures possess a level of intelligence that is truly impressive. So, there you have it. 8 strange and wonderful behaviors that make octopuses one of the most intriguing creatures in the sea. They're not just 8-armed wonders. They're masters of disguise, escape artists, solitary strategists, shapeshifters, and clever problem solvers. So next time you see an octopus, remember, there's more to this creature than meets the eye. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this journey through the underwater world and want to learn more, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating facts about the sea's creatures.